Hello everyone, welcome once again. Happy New Year. Welcome to our very first overview on GBPUSD for 2024. Happy New Year guys, and as you know, let's get right into it. So, if you could recall from our overviews from last year, I was skeptical about this zone here where GU currently is at. I was skeptical about this zone here where GU currently is at, and as we can see, that's where GU is currently holding up at. There is a downtrend line on the weekly. There's an uptrend line that is already broken. There's a change of character to the downside on the weekly. As you can see, this is high, low, higher, low, higher, low, higher, high, and then it breaks. Gives us a change of character. This is where it stops to do a pullback. If you notice on the weekly, we have red candles, one green candle. It didn't close above the other one. Continue. So this like drop-based drop supply zone, and then until it got here before we started seeing bullish momentum. So here now we have our pullback, which is like a correction because this is lasting longer than a pullback. This is like a correction into the zone, this supply zone here, and price has been here for how many weeks now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks now. So hopefully maybe this week it gets the momentum it needs to leave here and drop lower. This happen like this and drop lower. Boom. So far so good. I'm still going to be going with my sell buyers. As you can see in the market, we have the sell range, which is from here to here, and we have a buy range, which is from here to here. Before this buy range was formed, this was the buy range we had from here to here, and price bought from inside there. Now price is in the sell range and price is at a supply zone. Price is also at a high point. If we had to draw fibs on this price movement, we would find out that price is at the 618, 50% 618 zone. That's a sweet spot. So I still want to sell. Yes, the confirmation, a full confirmation for sell is not yet available, but I still want to sell. Now we're going to drop down to the daily and see how this price movement is looking. On the daily, we are still trading above the overall. We're still trading above the overall buy trend line, but we already broke out of the immediate buy trend line. So I'm using this low here and the low that caused this break of structure. Now, there was a break of structure before price reversed. So this is the low that caused the break of structure. So I'm going to connect my trend line to that low. Can you see? We already broke the immediate buy trend line. But we do not have a change of character yet. So on the daily, we can see where we have been reacting from for the sales. We're still in the counter buy trend line, so it's not okay to just start taking sales with our full chest. Let me use that word. Let me use that phrase rather. Full chest. So we want to see a change of character, and for us to see a change of character on the daily, we need to close below this buy range. Closing below the buy range would mean there is a change of character on the daily. But until we have that, we are still going to be skeptical. We're still going to be observing. Last week or upper week, we had price weak the buy range here and touched it here. But all of these are not strong confirmations at all. We need to see a close below. Just like here, we have a close above the sell range. We have a close above here. Just like we have a close above, we need to see a close above. So it is confirmed on the daily that we are selling. But for now, we know we are trading below the immediate trend line. We have not broken the counter trend line. And what we want to see is maybe a reversal setup here that will come and break below this buy range. Once we have that, it will look like this. Let's say next week opens and we do something like this, and then we'll break below here, giving us a change of character, because this is the low that made this high. So when we break below, it will be a change of character, and the price can do an immediate retest and drop, or we could have that change of character and price does a rounded retest and still drop. Price does a rounded retest and still drop. But I'm still focused on, or I am still for sales around this area. I'm still focused on sales around this area. If you can notice, from 15th, let's say, price went into consolidation from 14th of last month. So price has been in consolidation for like a month now. The sideways range. After all of this buy movement, all of this momentum up, momentum down, price got here and started ranging sideways. This is price resting either to change trend or price resting to continue the trend. But whatever it is price is going to do, as always, it will tell. As always, it will tell. So price could be resting to continue the trend upward. If price is going to do this, we would know. If not, we would know. If you notice on the Telegram channel, I've not called out trade like that because I'm yet to see confirmations to send out trade. But this is it. That's the overview on GU. We know where we are reacting from. We know where price is at. We know what we need to see. We are just waiting. This is where patience pays in trading. You're just waiting. You're not trigger happy. You don't just want to buy and sell. You're waiting to see a clear setup. And I hope this week we get a clear setup. We get a clear confirmation to actually go short on GU. And if we don't get a confirmation to go short, most definitely we'll get a confirmation to go buy. Two things can happen. Either we buy or we sell. But where it is at, I know we want to sell. If it's not selling here, maybe it wants to go up a little to sell. Whatever is going to happen, I'll keep you guys updated. But that's it on GBPUSD for the week. Let's see how next week plays out. Stay safe, stay guided.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. Subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video.